In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert video to audio in InShot. We're going to walk through the whole process from the moment you open the app, all the way to exporting a clean audio file that you can use for podcasts, voiceovers, or background music. I'll keep things simple and explain what each step does, so even if you're new to InShot, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open the InShot app on your device. On the main screen, you'll see different project types, like video, photo, and collage. Since we're converting a video into audio, tap on Video. This will open your gallery so you can choose the clip you want to work with. Take a moment to select the exact video you need. Then tap the check mark to import it into InShot. Once your video is loaded into the timeline, you'll see a row of editing tools along the bottom. Here, you can trim your clip if you only want part of the audio. To do this, drag the handles at the beginning or end of the timeline to select the exact section you want to keep. This is helpful if your video has an intro or outro you don't want in the final audio. If you'd like, you can also make basic adjustments before you export. For example, look for the volume or audio icon. From there, you can lower or raise the volume, or even mute the original sound if you only care about a specific part. Take a quick listen by playing your video back to confirm that it sounds the way you want. This preview step saves time, because you'll know exactly what your exported audio will include. Now comes the important part: exporting the audio. At the top right of the screen, tap the Export or Save button. Normally, InShot is set to export a video file by default, but here you'll want to look for an option related to format or type. Choose to save or export as audio, often labeled as MP3 or a similar audio format. If InShot gives you quality options, pick a higher quality setting for clearer sound, especially if you plan to use this as a podcast or in a professional project. After you tap Save, wait for InShot to finish processing. When it's done, your audio file will be saved to your device. You can now use it in other apps, upload it, or share it just like any other sound file. And that's all there is to it: importing your video, trimming and adjusting the sound, and exporting it as a standalone audio file using InShot.